हेलो यूट्यूब वासियों, आप सभी का स्वागत है एक बार फिर हमारी न्यू वीडियो में, जिसमें हम न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग करेंगे डिजिटल स्टाइल में अपने डेस्कटॉप पर। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं एक बेहतरीन न्यूज़ जो संबंधित है कहाँ गई आरएसएस एंड बीजेपी के बारे में लिखा है। आरएसएस एंड बीजेपी आर टारगेटिंग बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। थोड़ा बड़ा कर लेते हैं जिससे आप सभी को और मुझको बहुत अच्छे से साफ साफ नज़र आए। कहाँ गया? द राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ (आरएसएस) and the BJP lead union government are targeting the basic structure of the constitution because it is standing in the way of their Hindu Rashtra project. And Ram director, the Hindu group Publishing Private Limited, has said he was here on Monday to deliver a lecture of Unmaking the Republic, how Hindutva authoritarianism is dismantling the basic structure of India Constitution. In memory of Chinta Ravindran, filmmaker and writer, Mr. Ram pointed out the Hindutva authoritarianism had been attacking the basic structure doctrine, which was not a fixed code but a judicially administrated standard. Because of the reason its implementation depends on the character, independence and capability of the judiciary to stand up to execute pressure, particularly from Hindutva authoritarianism, which was ruthless and relentless. It is an open secret that the RSS has long regarded the constitution unsubstantiable for a Hindu major terrain country. So the basic structure stand is the way of what the RSS went to achieve a Hindu Rashtra. When it's come to amending the constitution, it is the open endedness and perceived vulnerability of the basic structure doctrine that the RSS, its mass political arm, that BJP and the union government it leads has been and we will be targeting, Mr. Ram said. CJP protest. The former editor-in-chief of The Hindu said the Hindu said that the protest led by the Cockroach Janata Party (CJP) in the national capital reflected the rag of grievances and frustration and a loss of hope. An intelligent government would have engaged with the early no PP episode after episode. They did not do it, he said. Mr. Ram also criticized the way in which of the police attacked the non-violent protesters. Democratic and progressive parties should support them and not take over them. This student, the youth movement will success in teaching of Modi government a lesson, he said. Actor Bhav actor Bhavna brother Jay Dhawan received the Chinta Ravindran Memorial Award on her behalf. The event was organized by the Chinta Ravindra Foundation. आप सभी को ये जानकारी बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आई होगी जो प्रोटेस्ट से रिलेटेड थी। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग।